Today is June 28th, 2017, and I was watching Lost, season 6, having ice cream. I was working on the offsets for the 3D printers. So when the printer moves down, I actually printed this part. So I printed this part, and if all the axes are normal to each other, then it would come perfect. Now I've already fixed the XY axis because the XY wasn't fine, so I fixed that. And now I know that the Z is wrong because this is tilted this way and this is tilted this way. So I printed this, I put the parts here like this, draw the lines. So this is X, Y and Z axis. Y axis, draw a line, and then I did some computation saying that this is the Y axis, this thicker line is the actual line, and this thinner lines are the perfect 90-degree lines, so they're the normal ones. And in the beginning the distance was 3.83 millimeter, distance between the thin line and thick line. At 10 centimeters above, the distance was 265. And then I did some computation. I assumed that, okay, if at the Z0 I'm at Y desired, and if at ZD as 1000 millimeters or 1 meter, because the Z axis is tilted like this, I'll be at 18.1. So in 1000 millimeters, I'd be at 18.1, this much. But I want to go back so that when the bed goes down, or I increase the Z level, the nozzle stays the same position. And then I said, okay, if I'm at the point H, what would be the actual Y that I have to be? And that would be Y desired, or that would be Y desired at point 0 minus Y offset, and that would give me Y desired at point H, at the height H. And very simple computation. So 11.8 over 1000. So 11.8 over 1000 is equal to Y offset over the H, and that's how I can compute the Y offset. Meaning, if I come back here, so Y at the distance of H is equal to Y at distance 0 minus 11.H multiplied by H, which is the height Z, over 1000. And to fix this in the firmware, all I had to do was to come to config.header, define YZ adjust, and I put it as 1000. This should be 11.8. And in the DDA.C, when you create the DDA, you have to do the adjustment and say that where's the line? So target underline M, which is for a machine, at Y is equal to target.M, target underline M dot Y, minus YZ adjust multiplied by target YZ, target of Z divided by H. So technically the same formula here, and that will take care of that part.